don't know, but I believe that some things are meant to be, and that you make a better me. Every day I love you.
I never thought that dreams came true, but you've shown me that they do. You know that I am something new. Every day I love you.
'Cause I believe that destiny is out of our control, and you'll never live until you love with all your heart and soul.
It's a touch when I feel bad. It's a smile when I get mad. All the little things I had. Every day I love you. Every day I love you. Every day I love you.
I believe that destiny is out of our control,
And you'll never live until you love with all your heart and soul.
if I asked, would you say yes? Together we're the very best.
I know that I am truly blessed. Every day I love you.
And I'll give you my best. Every day I love you. Oh yeah. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word.